Hey guys, got another unboxing for you. I know some of you guys do not like these unboxing videos, but there's a lot of you that do. And I got something pretty exciting today. This is the 35mm 1.2 from 7 Artisans. Took about a month to arrive. It was ordered directly from 7 Artisans. And I gotta admit, very well packaged and pretty excited about it. Inside, you're going to be getting your standard manual. Gives you just a quick rundown of the lens. Nothing too exciting. This is your warranty card. Good to know. And here's what you guys want to see. This is the latest lens for the Fuji lineup from 7 Artisans. 35mm 1.2. There you go. Comes with a metal lens cap. Gorgeous piece of multi-coated glass on there on the front. Focus. Get it right up close for you. Metal lens mount. It does have a declicked aperture. As a photographer, I would have loved to have had some clicks on there, but for you video guys, it's perfect for you. Aperture blades come to a nice perfect circle. Let's see if I can get it to focus for you. Not a perfect circle, but pretty good. I believe there are 12 aperture blades, and it does have a 43mm front filter thread, and it's got a pretty unique little focus ring here. It reminds me a lot of the Voigtlander Bestmatic lenses. But let's try it on the camera. I have here the X Pro 1, still one of my favorite cameras. And line up the dots. As usual, I'm doing this through the LCD viewfinder. And man, that is a good fit. It just has a good solid click to it. The finish matches great with the camera. If you're into that, not a big deal to me, but I know some of you guys are. And super smooth, just enough dampening. Same thing with the aperture. You're not going to get it to knock out of the way or change f-stop by accident. Always remember when you're using these manual lenses that you have to set your camera to manual focus, and focus shoot without lens has to be on in the menu. If not, the shutter will not fire at all.